If you're struggling with a niche research, I got you covered in this video. I have 5 low competition niches that's going to help you understand how I personally do research. And who am I? My name is RJ Martinez. I've been doing POD, print on demand, for over 8 years now, and I've sold over $400,000 in royalties all time. And I've sold over 125,000 products. And the way that I find these type of niches, I do a little bit of everything. I leverage Amazon, I leverage Etsy, leverage Redbubble, leverage social media, different trends, different ideas, things that I see that catch my eye. I will go ahead and research that and then share it in this video with you. So let's get into the content. And if you get any value out of this video, make sure you smash that like button, because this does take me a little bit of time to do this type of research. All right, so the first niche idea is going to be Valentine's Day, like science vibes. So you can see what they're doing here. Got the little, like, how would you, I'm trying to think, how would you say this? A chemist heart for teachers, like the little stuff, like you're in science vibes right here, right? You got the hearts being in the air, like the little potions type of stuff. I can't remember I'm trying to think of the name of the glass of this stuff, like the exact name of this, right? Let me know down below in the comments, because I completely forgot about this. Now, this right here is cool because think about different ideas, different concepts you can do here with anything with teachers, science. I think a principal, 4th grade, 5th grade teachers. There's a ton of stuff that can be done. PE teacher. So think of the different things that they teach in schools and mixing it with Valentine's Day. $16.99 is looking good on a white color t-shirt. This is something that can be created very easily too, by the way. It's made its first sale. So we look at the all-time sales, we look at the BSR for demand, and you see it's made its first sale about 2 days ago. Okay, this is a good sign, right? This is not saying this is going to be a top seller, but it's just saying that, okay, this is someone purchased, maybe someone purchased it themselves, or someone actually purchased it online. Let's say someone actually purchased it online. And we're about Valentine's Day is about to, the sales are about to, like in the next 2 or 3 weeks, are going to start to happen more and more. There's some designs that are actually making sales right now, but this is a good idea here. When we come over here, we have a result of a 687 Valentine's Day by science teacher, and you get kind of like the other ideas. Cupid's favorite science teacher, and now you can scale this one out too as well, so you get an idea of some of the other ones here. Now if we come over here, now this is the actual prompt that I put in to create this right here with Ideogram AI, which is pretty cool. So we look at this. These are really cool. Beakers. There we go. That's the name of it. Looking at the prompt right here. So this is the prompt. See, beakers. It's a cool one. It's making this is really cool. Okay, really good idea. Okay, this is an image generator with Ideogram AI. One of my favorite image generators when it comes to create these type of prompts. And then keep in mind, all of the prompt ideas, the niches, I will have this down below. I put together a little free guide. So everything that I share with you guys, you can download it, right? And then it will actually have all the prompt ideas, the niche idea, and then all that for you all organized. Okay, so every single week, when I share 5 new niche ideas, this is going to be down below in the description for you to download for free. Now, if you want more than 5 ideas every single week, I have the top research design vault. You get access to over 1,600 niches when you sign up for $10 a month. All right. And I'm giving you 20 niches every single week with the design, okay, the keywords, the design angle, and then the prompt ideas for every single one of those niches. So you can see the value here. As you sign up, you're going to get more and more ideas. We should be passing, before the year ends, we should be passing over 1,700 niche research ideas. And there are people that are having success with the ideas and making consistent sales with their Amazon merch on demand account. But not only that, this applies, you can use this for Etsy, you can use this for your own website. We're doing research on the #1 platform, Amazon.com. Okay, so most likely if they're buying over on Amazon, you can go ahead and double check on Etsy or just even online to get the concept and the idea and see how I do research. Next one, Valentine's Day Cruise Squad. Now I want you to think, so we got Valentine's Day, but I'm thinking like couples, anniversaries, different ideas right here. This will work really good when it comes to any of this. You can see 2026, how they're targeting that already. So anything with 2026 on a design or just different concepts or different events that are coming up, I want you to think about that. And because there's a ton of different stuff that you can do here. You can see the design that they did here. You got the cruise ship and then Valentine's Day Cruise Squad. So more than 1 or 2 people probably buying this t-shirt right here. Okay. And then we look at, let's see the last 90 days. All right. Let's see the all time. This is a weird one. Okay. So it made the first sale at the beginning of February. And then it's starting to make sales right now, which is a really good sign. So you look at the last 30 days, you can see it's made it sell. So that means it's starting to uptick, right? And your main goal is to get this in front of people. The more people that you get it in front of, if 1 person bought it, most likely 2 people are going to buy it. And then if it's a good enough design, maybe it start to make 10, 20 sales, right? So that's the main goal behind this. So this looks like a good, that it's showing potential already. It's made it sell already. And then going into the new year, let's see what happens to it. Okay. Here's another one. Couples that cruise together, stay together. So think of cool, funny saying around cruises. It seems to be doing really good. 4.6 out of 5, 129 ratings. We come down, we look at this. So this is crushing the last 30 days. This is what we look for as print on demand sellers. If you're a print on demand seller, I've been doing this for over 8 years. When I see something like this shows, that means consistency. And with consistency, we want a piece of that pie so we can make sales and make money with this right here. All right. And then if we come over here, we have a result of 502. And then we come down, we can see like the different concepts and the different ideas. Birthday cruise, time to celebrate. So think of birthdays too. Anniversaries, couples, just married. Oh, so there's that too as well. So think of different concepts like that. So that's a really good idea. All right, now we come over here. You're gonna see this is the prompt idea that I put in, and we're using ideogram right here to create this image. Valentine's cruise. That's a Valentine's cruise. My favorite one is, I want to say this one. Okay. All right, next idea. I surrounded by ice holes. If you say it, you get that concept. This is a really good one. So when you see, if you can figure out different concepts, different ideas, this is a really good way to come up with that top selling design by making it funny for someone to read, laugh, and see the shirt design and get in the different niches. So ice fishing, and especially right now during the winter time, ice fishing is like a big thing. So this 4.7 out of 5, 89 reviews. And then if we come down, 17.99 overall pick batch 2. Come down, we look at the BSR. Say like the last 90 days, it's definitely, there's a demand. So it's selling. So it's selling consistently. Even the last 30 days, you're going to see when it drops down, it's minute sell, drops down, minute sell, drop down, minute sell, minute sell, minute sell. You can see that as it goes along. Look at the all-time sales. You can see it's been up since 2018. And this is something that I look forward to as well. You can see that there's definitely a big demand for this actual niche, or even this design itself, but the niche itself too. Okay, so that's a good sign. Come over here, you can see the other design concepts. You see the ideas. We have a result of 870. All right, now the prompt. Okay, this is actually, I'm not sure if you sit on a stool or something like that, but this is actually a good concept. I like how it has more holes around it, right? And this one, okay, now we can see what the AI has. Look, it has a fishing pole coming out of his back. This one's decent. I'm trying to see if this little effect right here, does it make it look like he's in it does make it, he's in the water, but it's supposed to be ice, right? That's not bad either. Pretty solid. I say this one. Right, but understanding the design a bit more, this one's not bad either. I'm not sure if this little wave right here makes it look like he's like in the water, so this one's a little better. I don't know. We'll have to research that a little bit more, but you can see this is the prompt idea that I put in right there to create that. Pretty cool. Come down. Sorry, my bitter dragon ate my homework. Instead of my dog ate my homework, or you're switching up, you can put my cat. Bearded dragon, for example, against the homework and it's all tore up. My monkey, my tiger. You can mess around. Maybe you have a favorite animal. It's supposed to be like a funny, sarcastic. My snake, I can see that one working. 4.8 out of 5, 13 ratings. Cool design. The last 30 days, we have consistency. So when you see something like that, like I said, this is a good one. I'm not sure what happened right here. It's a weird one, but this is a good one for sure. Come over here. We have a result of 274. Come down. Notable arrival. Okay. Never seen that. You're going to see like the different ideas, the different concepts over here. Okay. There's another one right here that was doing pretty good with the lower BSR. This one seems to be one of the consistent ones throughout the year, which is a really good sign. Come over here and, oh, clean, huh? This is the prompt idea that was put in. See that? Not bad. His tongue is like in his hand too. It's not bad. I like it. So this one and this one, pretty good, right? Pretty solid. Really good inspiration too, by the way. On my family's unpaid tech support, 4.8 out of 5, 20 ratings. Okay, you can see that. Okay. You can see 100 bought in the past month. Now, I want you to think of like different concepts, different ideas. I'm trying to think right here. On my family's unpaid tech support, like what else do you do for family? What else do you do? Plumber can be a good one, right? Anything like that around the house. Handyman would be I think would be a good idea too. So you're thinking of different things that you do for your family that you don't get paid for, right? So the last 30 days, you can see the consistency here, which is really nice. So we look forward last 90, doing good all time. It was first sale in 2021. It seems to be doing better every single year, especially in 2024. And then going into 2025, it's crushing, doing really good. All right. Now see the different ideas, the different concepts here. That's really cool. We have a result of 402. And we come over here into ideogram. My family's paid tech support. You can see that. Pretty cool. Now, one thing too, if you want to grab like any of those designs on your end, you would just basically use like a tool like Kittle, or you can upscale it in Kittle too as well. You can upscale it over here. The remove background's okay with this tool, but you can even use like a Photopea, Canva, whatever you personally like to use. But this is a good idea, a good concept for coming up with inspiration, or even coming off of those. Sometimes you'll get a really one-off design. Sometimes it's not always good. That's what it comes down to with AI when you're doing this type of stuff. But also, you can leverage this to do a good percentage of the lifting if you're an artist or a designer, and it can help you come up with different design concepts, different angles, and inspiration, which is very powerful because it can help you do more. Okay. And that's the main goal, help you do more as far as this. And if you're unaware of the top design research vault, that's going to be down below in the description. Okay, I do 20 low competition niches every single week for you. That includes the niche, that includes the keywords, that includes the design angle, and the prompt ideas. And not only that, when you sign up, you get access to over 1,600 niches right now. And if you want designs done for you, check out the top design vault. These are actually niches that are being researched as I go along with this type of content to help you with different ideas and different concepts. I create these ready to upload designs for you, and then I show you how to launch ads to them if you have access to ads, or just the whole listing's done for you as far as the keywords. Now, I do this every single week, so make sure you subscribe to my channel with notification bells on. Smash that like button if you got value out of it. And if you want more low competition niches, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.